Hey guys, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. Join me as I show you how I've mastered the art of creating TikTok videos that sell like crazy and reveal the strategies that have worked for me in 2024. I've cracked the code and now I'm here to share it with you. To keep in mind throughout this whole video is that the amount of followers you have does not equal your sales. I have seen people be very successful on TikTok and other social media platforms with less than 100 followers. So please keep that up here. So let's dig into it, shall we? So we all know TikTok has exploded in recent years. And if you're not on it yet in 2024, it's definitely the year to get serious about it. With over 1 billion active users, TikTok offers you an incredible opportunity to reach your target audience and to customers. But here's the thing. Standing out can be tough in such a crowded space, right? So what's the problem? A lot of creators struggle to create TikTok videos that actually convert. Now, it's one thing to make content, but it's a whole nother ballgame to turn that into sales. Trust me, I've been there. I get it. It's frustrating. You pour your heart into a video only to have it fall flat and have little to no engagement, right? We've all had those moments. So I've learned that you can't just throw up a video and expect people to care. You have to understand your audience, their pain points, and create content that speaks directly to them. Like for me, that's Gen X, right? I speak directly to a Gen X crowd. And before I was able to scale and see success, I started with 2 foundational programs that completely changed how I approached content creation as well as digital marketing before I moved into social media strategy. The first was Academy 6, totally available for $75.77 until October 11th of 24. So, great way to start beginner level. This is not a sales pitch. I'm just giving you the places where I started and what they cost at the current moment. So, it's a fantastic entry level course. And if you're new to digital marketing or social media strategy, it gives you the ability to dip your toes in the water, right? Then there's the gold standard, in my opinion, Roadmap Exclusive. It's a business development and automation course and it's priced at $597. This course dives deep into scaling your business through automation, and to my knowledge, it's the only educational program out there that teaches FTC compliance, which is a big deal. This is a game changer for me at its very core. And it's about doing things ethically and legally, which is crucial for long-term success in this industry. So let's move on from that. Those are just places where you can get started if you choose. So, one big mistake is getting stuck in that salesy mindset. I've seen it happen. Promoting your product directly often comes across as spammy, and we've all seen what happens next. Low engagement, low conversions, and a whole lot of frustration, right? Plus, TikTok's algorithm constantly changing. What works today might not work tomorrow, which means developing a consistent strategy that can feel like a complete uphill battle, right? Been there, done that. But there's good news. Many creators are crushing it on TikTok, y'all. And by doing little things differently, it's not just about slapping together a quick promo video and hoping for the best. It's like throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping it sticks, right? The best key, the total key, authenticity. People don't buy products, they buy solutions and they buy into the stories behind them. That's why your storytelling is a game changer. By sharing your why, you're able to build a connection with your audience that just inspires them to take action, right? That's something that you guys really need to learn how to do. So let's not in, not let can't speak. Let's not forget the importance of high quality visuals, music, that kind of thing, right? TikTok's a visual platform. Pay attention, y'all. So the content needs to grab attention, hold it, keep viewers engaged. Music is a great way to set the mood for any kind of video, right? I recently came across a badass example of someone doing this, right? There's a small business owner who showcased her handmade jewelry in a video. The biggest difference that I've seen between her and others is that she didn't just show off the products. She shared the inspiration behind the designs, her creative process and her passion and other details, right? So it wasn't just a product promo, it was a story. People were interested, they wanted to learn, right? That's the cool thing. Her call to action was just encouraging viewers to share their own stories as small business owners, right? But the video was visually stunning and it had a catchy soundtrack. On top of that engagement and driving the engagement and hearing other people's stories, it drove sales because it built a sense of community. And I completely stand behind building a community, right? So what's your big takeaway in all this? If you want to create TikTok videos that sell like crazy, it's more than just promoting your products, right? You can't just promote, right? It's about being creative. It's about staying authentic and understanding your audience on a deeper level. So share your story, stay up on trends, and use visuals and music to connect with your audience emotionally. Y'all, I'm Gen X. I am a sucker for a good 80s song. Just saying, there's ways that you can connect with your audience, right? So, disclaimer, gotta throw this out there. Your results may vary. There's no guaranteed outcomes, guys, but with consistency and the right strategy, TikTok can be an extremely powerful tool to grow your business. All right. So I've also linked below a couple of freebie resources for you guys as far as algorithm goes, maybe some keywords you guys can use, and some examples of how to use those keywords in the algorithm while creating those videos because they're powerful and important. Okay. So that being said, if you found value in any of these strategies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. I've got more in-depth tips and insider knowledge coming your way really soon, especially on the YouTube platform. More videos like this that are much more in-depth than my TikTok videos, so that you can get some help mastering TikTok and growing your business in 2024. If you're ready to dive deeper into business development and automation, you can check out the 2 courses that changed the game for me. Obviously, like I said, Academy 6, it's $75.77 for the whole ball of wax until October 11th of 2024 at midnight. And if you're really serious about scaling and staying FTC compliant, my go-to course is going to be the Roadmap Exclusive, 110%, $597. The links are in the description, and let's get you to work on success. So, see you next time. Have a good one, y'all.